Stash Investing Tool Full Review, Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Stash and related tools are in the description below. Let's get straight to the point. Stash is a user-friendly investing platform designed for beginners and those new to investing. It offers a simple way to start investing in stocks, ETFs, and crypto with as little as $5. Stash's core feature is its themed investment portfolios, known as Smart Portfolios, which group investments into categories like technology, clean energy, and socially responsible investing, SRI. This makes it easy for new investors to put their money into areas they care about without needing deep investment knowledge. A major strength of Stash is its fractional shares feature, which allows users to buy parts of high-priced stocks, making it easier to diversify on a budget. The platform also offers automated investing, where you can set up recurring deposits to have money automatically invested, helping build wealth over time. Stash offers different plans, including the Stash Beginner Plan, which is perfect for those just starting, and the Stash Plus Plan, which gives users access to additional benefits like retirement accounts and personal financial planning. Stash also has a strong education component. With its easy-to-understand articles, videos, and personalized advice, Stash helps new investors learn as they go. The platform's mobile app is intuitive and provides an accessible way to monitor and manage investments on the go. However, there are some downsides. While Stash is great for beginners, it charges a monthly fee, starting at $1 a month for the basic plan, which can add up if you're not actively using it. Additionally, Stash's investment options are somewhat limited compared to larger brokers like Fidelity or Schwab. While it offers stocks and ETFs, its selection is more restrictive, and you can't trade individual options or other more advanced securities. Stash also doesn't provide advanced research tools, making it less appealing for more experienced traders who want deeper insights. Overall, Stash is an excellent choice for beginners looking to start investing with small amounts of money and grow their wealth through simple, guided portfolios. If you're looking for advanced trading features or more control over individual investments, you might need to look elsewhere. But for a straightforward, educational approach to investing, Stash is a great starting point. Check the links in the description for more details. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more investing content.